have you been? Don't tell me you were still with Charles.
No, don't let me go.
And he got you a gift? Nnebe, you need to slow down with him.
Mama, slow down with what? Nothing is going on. Nothing serious, nothing more. And this gift is not even mine, it's for you.
For me? Hey! Hey! Wow! These are beautiful. He is a wise man and smart man. He knows he has to buy the heart of the mother first before that of the daughter.
I don't understand what you're saying, Mama.
No, you don't need to understand. Just go in there. Help me pack. Let me wash up this. It's time we go. Hi! Hold this for me. Even money.
I was just 12 when my mother brought me here. He gave me to the queen.
He gave you to the queen as gift or what?
No. He wanted me to be very far from my stepfather.
Why? Like, he used to molest you?
Yes. And when he got tired of me, he dragged me out an old husband.
At the age of 12?
Yeah. My mother said he used to be a nun. And the tradition encouraged it. Are you not aware about it?
No. I'm not from this kingdom. So, probably that's why I'm not aware of it.
So tell me about your story.
My story is long. So, I don't think it's necessary now. Let's just keep talking about yours. Maybe some other time I can tell you about myself, okay? I hope you're not angry.
No, I'm not angry.
So, tell me. I had the king stop another age marriage because of you. Is that true?
Yes. Because that was my godmother dying wish.
I can say the queen cherished you so much.
Yeah, she did.
And what do you think you both are doing? The both of you. What are you doing? Seated here, all loved up and romancing each other.
My princess, we are retired for the day. And this is our quarter.
Really? As for you, you dog. Why are you here? Aren't you supposed to be at your duty post?
I beg your pardon. My duty is to take care of the king. And the king is asleep. Please, don't call me a dog again.
Bravo. And he speaks. Now tell me, what's the first rule of Princess Pamela? I just asked you a question. What's my rule?
Don't talk back, or...
That one. But guess what? You just did. So be prepared. Because I'll mete out your punishment to you by morning. And what do you think you're still doing there? Get up!
As they sweet us, it depend them. As they sweet us, it depend them.
As for you, why am I even wasting my time? You're not just worth it. Not even one little bit. Let me have the keys.
Good morning, my princess.
How dare you address me like that? Who is your princess? It seems you all have developed memory loss. Now address me properly.
Your Highness.
Turn. Look at me. Good. Now address me.
Good morning, Your Highness.
Let me have the keys.
What?
Are you deaf? Let me have the keys.
But this is the king's special car. No one drives it. Besides, you have your own car.
Let me have the keys. Now! Give them to me. And leave this place. What are you looking at? Get out! Gossipers and roaches everywhere. Let me have the keys now. Let me have them.
Can we ever have a moment of peace in this palace? What's going on? What's this noise for? If I'm talking to you, what is going on there?
What else will be going on? You just received a slap from your idol.
Today is not for you. It will be another day. The keys now!
Ebube, what key is she talking about?
The keys to the king's special car.
What?
For what? Ayala.
And what's that supposed to mean? What's the meaning of what?
Ebube, don't you ever give anyone that key. Don't try it.
What's that supposed to mean? The keys.
Ebube, don't try it.
Give them to me now.
Don't try it.
Now. Give them to me now.
Don't try it.
What kind of problem is this? Why can't you have peace in this palace?
Because there is no peace for the wicked. The keys.
Ebube, don't try it.
I said give them to me.
Hey, stop it. Stop it, my friend. Use your car and go to wherever you want to go to and stop this rubbish.
I said give them to me.
Don't even do that. Don't try it.
What is going on there?
Your Majesty, I wish to go out in the king's special vehicle.
So amazing how people ask for impossible things with so much guts. So much guts.
Ezebe.
Sorry, bro.
It's okay. Father, I'm sorry we can never allow her to have it. My wife is just asking and requesting for something that she can never have.
She has my permission.
What? What? Dad.
Ebube,
Your Majesty.
hand her the car keys.
Are you serious?
Look at the both of them.
Rubbish. Don't talk rubbish.
Look at them. What's a livid man?
Don't talk rubbish.
Look at that one.
You stop the talking. Talking. Dad, what is this?
But also.
Ebube, you see, me, I'm not really happy at all. I'm not happy at all. I am really not happy at all. This woman keeps treating everyone in this palace as if they don't exist. And the king will not even do anything about it.
Ago. The kind of embarrassment that woman gave to me in the morning in presence of everyone, I can't forget in a hurry. If you see, you were there now. Yeah? But one thing is sure. You see, Pamela? I'll beat her up here. Okay, don't believe me.
You know you cannot touch her. Her father is too powerful. Did you think the king gave out his royal car out of a willing heart? It has never been heard that someone is seen driving the king's royal car. Today, he broke the tradition because he doesn't want King Ojadike's wrath. My brother, there is more that meets the eyes.
I don't care. I don't care. You see all those things you're talking about, King Ojadike's wrath or not, that one is not my business. My own is that, you see that Pamela? I must surely beat her up.
Excuse you? Come back here! Come here. So the both of you are busy plotting on how to beat me up, right?
No, Your Majesty, we are not planning on how to beat you.
Idiots!
Why are you begging her? Look at you. You idiot. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why in the way why you making a told you?
Dare talk when I am talking?
Now you idiot. Why are you begging her? Is she not supposed to be beaten up with all this attitude? You're begging her.
You dare talk when I am talking?
Who are you? Are you God? See, Pamela or whatever you're called, you can go to hell. Who do you think you are? We are not afraid of you. We. Pamela or whatever you are called, I'm not afraid of you. Let me tell you, I'm not afraid of you. You can go to hell.
Your Majesty, you know my punishment will be lesser now.
Also,
I wasn't talking when
Shut your mouth!
See, we are not afraid of you. We. Madam, do your worst.
That boy must be punished for what he did. And that is final.
Father, I remember you taught us that when people are being pushed beyond their limits, they break. Don't you think Pamela here has actually pushed Ebube so much that made him to break out?
He insulted me right to my face. Your Majesty, that imp threatened to beat me up. It's not your turn yet. Soon it will be.
Too bad. Here is not your father's palace or your father's fine castle.
So be.
Sorry, bro. Sorry about that.
I think everybody should be left alone because Pamela here has actually pushed him beyond the limit. And no one that has been pushed like that will not react.
Charles, are you by any means suggesting that we should reward that imp? I guess that was the word you used on him. For insulting royalty. Is that what you're saying?
Father, you know I cannot do a thing like that. And that is not even the point.
What the hell actually is the point?
You should not disrespect the king with your unwholesome choice of words and your mannerless vulgarity. Before the gods will appear in skirt and blouse. You know what that means? Your coconut will be so much made of umpampaka via cataclysm. Mind the way you talk in this palace.
My friend, sit down, both of you. Sit down. Now.
The king says, sit.
Your Majesty, I'll be allowed to meet my own punishment on that thing, or he should be asked to leave this palace. Let both princes choose.
Is she walking out on the king?
Father.
Please.
Dad.
Both of you should leave me out of this. She was talking to both of you, and I am not involved. So, enjoy yourselves.
Ndukwa,
My prince.
Ndukwa, where is it? I've not seen him all day. Huh? What? What is he doing there?
He's under Princess Pamela's punishment.
Meaning what? Come on, go there and untie him.
It's Princess Pamela that...
I said go there and untie him now.
Try it and I will kill you. Try it. This is not over, Charles. It's not over.
Rubbish.
Thank you.
God bless my friend. Get up and leave there.
God bless you, my prince. Hi.
What nonsense? Are you mad? Where is that stupid woman? Where is she?
She's inside.
What nonsense? What kind of rubbish is this?
Is it me that caused it? Is it not your bad man that kept you there? Is it not your bad man that kept you there? Hmm? Come now.
I think you're my friend.
Come now, leave the son, Come.
What can I leave you?
Come now.
What can I?
There is something about this whole thing that I do not understand. Why is father always making room for our excesses? I think it's not about father's relationship with King Ojadike. What is inside me is telling me that there is something father and Pamela have in common that they are not telling us.
And what could that possibly be? I actually want me to believe that father and Pamela are having an affair.
We are both in this world, and nothing is impossible.
What are you insinuating?
I never said they are into affair. But what I'm kind of trying to say is that when you sense danger, you apply caution. Peradventure, if such thing happens, we will be able to chest it. Yes.
Oh, that doesn't make sense to me. So when is your flight?
2 hours time.
When are you coming back?
Tomorrow night.
How are you? How's markets today?
What would you like?
No, I came to see you. I just came to say hi, see you. Your mother. Hey, bro, what's up?
As you can see, I'm good, and you?
Yeah, good. So, what's going on?
Nothing. Bro.
Yep.
Dad keeps complaining about your casual dressing, and you're not doing anything about it.
Oh, man, come on, person. You know that song, right?
I don't like the song.
Why?
Besides, you're not a common person. You're royalty. You need to wear something that shows it.
You know, I don't like living flamboyant and extravagant life. I like to keep it low. Very simple.
That is the beauty of royalty.
How do I look?
Royalty is pride. Royalty is something you show off.
Good day, my princess.
Good day. That is why not everyone is royalty.
I like it this way. Anyway, I like to be myself. Yeah. So, how do I look?
You look like ancient of days. Foreign Mugu. That's how you look, yes. So tell me,
God.
Where do you always go these days more than the office?
And why can some people mind their business? I mean, learn how to mind your business. Why? Why can't you learn that?
My brother's business is also my business.
You know, when people don't mind their business, they're also foreign mugus, you know. I will see you when I come back.
All right, bro. All right. Take care of yourself.
Okay. I'll see you when I get back.
All right. Go.
But learn how to mind your business.
Your
Okay?
business is my business, bro. All right, bro.
You!
Why make it look like I give you enough trouble on a bad day? You came in here all smiling, dancing, raised your face, saw me, and your mood changed.
What are you talking about?
I totally understand this mechanism. Staging a fight so you wouldn't be attacked over something you've done, that's just classic, Charles.
What the hell are you talking about?
I'm not ready to have this still conversation just yet. But so you know, Charles, I know everything that is going on, Charles. Princess Pamela is no fool. I'm not a fool, Charles.
Big fool.
What have I done to deserve this humiliation?
Hey! How can I help you?
Charles has never had good taste.
I don't understand.
My name is... Never mind. So you're the chipmunk that's been philandering with Charles. Dirty and unkept thing like you.
Excuse me, madam.
I do not waste time before forgetting my hands on people's faces. So you better shut your fangs and listen.
Well, Charles and I have nothing going on. And I think it's wrong of you to speak to your fellow woman in that manner.
You're woman, darling. You're just a bug. That's what you are.
I have to go now.
If you take one more step, I will deal with you.
You're a mad woman.
Oh, Dad.
Welcome, son.